Thiko nini tu thutha wa minista wa urimi Peter Munya kuruta mukana ati bururi waya kugumirwo ni ikereka ria keri ria ngigi mweri uyu. Riu Ataramu nimoritio gwetha njira njeru cia kuhitana na ngigi ici iria ciambiriirie kuingira icigo-ini ngurani cia bururi. Ndawa cia tutambi iria ikoretwo ikihuthika riu irerikana kwaga kuraga ngigi ici. O riri kuri na mateta ati imwe ciacio ni ugwati kuri maria maturigiciirie. Ndeto ino eyumiritie hindi ya gikaro kia Ataramu a uthuthuria kuuma university na honge itiganite mwena wa Naivasha.
To deal with this, there is need for us to carry out research to find biological ways of controlling the spread of locusts, of eliminating them, and to find the best of the pesticides to use without having damage to the environment and other good insects and birds and other animals living within the areas where they are invading.
Kuringana na mwandiki mukaru ruhonge-ini rwa githomo kia university na uthuthuria Samson na Bukwesi, ikoretwo arediti nene kugeria kuhurana na ngigi ici.
They have also hardened so that the pesticides being used are not effectively controlling them. And because they are coming in huge masses, it becomes very, very difficult to control, because as they settle, they also reproduce and move on. So it has required much more resources to deal with, and a lot of manpower than we have done in the past.
Ihinda-ini riu akiuga wagi wa kigena ni gatagati ka maundu maria marahinga mihango ino thutha wa thirikari kunyihia kigena kiria mamukagira.
The National Research Fund has done the much it has done with the funds that it has received from government. It also has the task of mobilizing resources from wherever.
So we expect that adequate funds will be provided during this supplementary so that we are able to facilitate our researchers. Then we are working with the timelines of beginning next year, January or February.
Thengia ya gucaria kihonia gia kuhurana na ngigi, ruhonge rwa uthuthuria guku bururi-ini rukoretwo ihenya-ini ria guthuthuria maundu ngurani ari hamwe na king'uki gia corona, murimo wa kansa hamwe na mangi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Gitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.